down, I know you got me, baby.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my video. I'm Faizatul Kamilah. In today's video, I will explain the step to make chocolate Nutrijel. Alright, let's check it out. Woo! The ingredients: 1 pack of chocolate flavored Nutrijel, 10 grams, and 400 milliliters of water, and 5 tablespoons of sugar, adjust to taste. And the last, 1 pack of bamboo, optional. For me, extra flavor. The equipment: the first, pan to cook the Nutrijel mixer, and the second, whisk to stir the mixture to variable flames, and the third, mold or baking tray to pour the Nutrijel mixer once it's cooked, and the fourth, knife, optional, to cut the Nutrijel after it sets, and the last, serving dish or plate to serve the Nutrijel. Okay, this is steps to make chocolate Nutrijel. Woo! First, mix the ingredients. Combine Nutrijel powder and sugar in a pan. Then mix well. Add water. Gradually pour in the water while stirring to avoid lumps. And then, once it's done boiling, pour the mixture into molds or a tray and let it cool at room temperature. Number 5. Chill. After the Nutrijel sets, refrigerate it for a freezer test. And the last, serve. Slice the Nutrijel into pieces and serve with your favorite toppings. Okay, I think that's all for me. See you next time and happy watching.